Hello everyone and welcome to another tip of the week. I am David Lewis. There is an old English proverb that says, "He who hesitates is lost." This is certainly true for anyone who waits too long to take the necessary actions that will help them change things in their life for the better. Waiting until it's too late to act can be just as devastating as not acting at all. Never wait on the changes you need to make when you know they need to be made. If you wait too long, you may be waiting for the rest of your life. Time passes quickly, and the longer we wait, the quicker the opportunities to act seem to pass us by. If we wait to change until we have no alternative but to act, we may find ourselves unable to muster up the energy or faith to do what needs to be done. Nothing is more frustrating than finding you waited too long to make necessary changes, and now the opportunity has passed you by. In the car business, this happens on a regular basis. We put off a day or two for following up on a customer we spoke to a few days before and find out they have already gone and bought somewhere else. Never put off for tomorrow the things you can do today. It can be disastrous in this business for sure. Invest in building your skill set on a daily basis. Don't be afraid to speak with the most successful salesperson in your dealership and ask for any help he or she can give you. The best salespeople recognize the value of a team effort, and most will be glad to help if you're not too proud to ask.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.